In an unfortunate incident, an elderly woman identified as Jaiaw of Umsohsun Road, Shillong, was reportedly attacked by an assailant at her residence on the evening of Saturday, 29th July 2023. As per CCTV footage, the miscreant had been seen loitering around the area and later entered the victim's house. Later, it was discovered that she bore injuries on the head and face and was taken to the H. Gordon Roberts Hospital, Jaiaw, for treatment. However, as per advice, she was later taken to the Woodland Hospital, Shillong, for further neurological treatment. It was also reported that the miscreant had fled the scene after his attack on the lady. The Canine and Crime Scene Unit of the Meghalaya Police arrived on the spot after receiving reports of the incident. Till the filing of this report, investigation is on to nab the culprit. Media Plus was able to speak to Alantri Dakhar, who is one of the residents of Umsohsun locality, and also to the local MLA of North Shillong, Adelbert Nongrum, both of whom had stood by Jaiaw while at the Roberts Hospital, Shillong.
Miscreant entered her residence and attacked her with a brick of the forehead and with other sharp objects behind her head. She fought back. He dragged her all the way near the gate and then he fled. He got her gold ring. He tried removing the bangles, but she fought back. Police are on the investigation. Taken certain CCTV footage from the neighbors, and they will be collecting CCTV footage on the route that he had run away from.
Okay. Nyo Andrew Steng nyo Steng po Umsohsun. Ano mo ban rung ko ka longyang. Ti ko ka longyang ka badon ka baklan. Ti ngayo ko pa badon way nong tu. Ubat rung hayeng mo bla pan man saw way long kami. Ka kerteng jitai long kami ka dai I bangi khodi di mai janaki toy. Bale si la bandon naka karta ka ba rupusan adu nyo po. Ti don bok ai ngu ublei baka sudon ta ke marsau kam sim lajaki bas niu yam ta jongi bat nga kumu mali nomor sentip ta ka jengja ngalale mari expo yeng bang lai I jong ki khmat kan do jeng lengkien jo ka snam bat uniu rus niu la penok kam do mau ban pen mansau I ban nganget skam kan ni kala de ka atem tu moda kala de ka jeng temu ban pen marsim ke jeng jongi to ai ngu ublei ba ublei sim la sa ki banja ka bas niu bala warai ino mardor sapo Robert Stal le ya badongkam ti ban kham yo ya ka jing sumar ba khamba rano I pat sapo Woodland bat mantala la poiste bat akani kalong ke bang ko makan ko mamali bang inong ki ba husiar ki ba pengor khamtam ki dor bar snong baro kinong song snong jong ka sti di bro ko khamtam kini ki jing sniu kala kharoi palat ani ka ri jing bat nganu banong ba ka drugs su ka dei ka we ka ba pelong ya kini ki rus sniu bakin chilur wat ban rung hadu hiye ngam tipsu ngam thrai su bandai tanong tu no luti gla dei ki ba lesi ki bla ngop ai taki drugs ba penyap ai jitep lam go jongki bar kani ngaku aban kerne ka government ka nagaleng ka police department kali jo kamera ma ai ka jero hai bopon ki bantang le I khnet sngi bar ini ka bantaru nget daga jarap jong ka CCTV lesi ngin la ban kem youtube brio badai rus new batmu ya ka ban sim ji imjini longkemia bar ngaku aban kan khnet government ru bakan perkhat ya kaban wanra ite ki policy trekam ki ba kham perking kumno ban perking ki briu ka rungami ani posti jungi namar ba ni posti jungi kalong lai lan ha borok hilang ken flux ru to bang imla perking imla ban te perking bar ha jugo por ru ha bari ka drugs ru ngi ka por ngi opan kem ti namar ta daw ngasngo ba government of the day ka day ban sima jige clear ka day ban penklan ni kita ka jing perking ha ka jaga ka bakin rung sani ka state jungi namar bang I ba ka drugs ka rung lai lan ngali ini ka por ti bopon ki banta ka bari ka policy kata we banta ngin sai kren ngin span pau de hani ka banta ka bangko ban kren ka long ba nakaleng kinong song kinong ba pingor kinong ba pikir manginum la ban shania ino bar khamtam nada preng ka por ka bang sai ka ja hong kani ka I ka banja pa preng ka mit ka bang latia ti mar ka daw nga kren ni kani kumu emali ban na sokhia ban ngai ka jero e ka police department ban la ban trace tom ban rat dikhong ni jingsniu bar khamtam ya kidor barsnong boro ru bakin la ban trailang rekat ai bopon banta kumlo ban nang penklan ni kala klenti kumlo ban perking kumlo ban te lakam yang ni jing snio lemba ka jerap joni CCTV ban ngaku memeli rungin saya kenduk barki dor barsong per ba kumlo ngin la ban le ye halor kini ki jingja ki ba la nangban klan na ko ga sngi sha ko pat